This is Dabu7 with amazing proof that the Scottish referendum was rigged. You were looking at a woman right in front of you that takes and puts everything out of yes into the no and lays one down in yes and continues to keep stacking onto the no. This is proof in court, if you need it, video proof that the voting and the counting of the voting was rigged. Bombshell. Irrefutable. And if that's not enough, we'll take here a zoom in on this area, on the table, these stacks that are checked. You see this? This is from above. That is a yes box checked. A yes box. And it is a stack of probably all yeses in the no bin. They are busted. This is huge. I will leave multiple links in the description box as always. But the video proof alone is damning, and it's good enough to take and hammer it away in court. This has been Dabu7. And this is the truth.